Hi everybody, welcome back to Vlogmas. I wanted to show you or take a closer look at one of the small gift ideas that I showed you earlier from the Dollar Tree. This is the gift that I showed you, a small nautical themed wine glass, basically stemless wine glass. I did not purchase this glass exactly this way at the Dollar Tree, although they have lots of different glasses and lots of different themes and decorations. This is actually how I bought it in the store. A plain glass, a plain stemless wine glass, and then from the craft aisle, this glass sticker set. So, I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's see. Now, I like to do small crafts, and I thought this would be a good, small gift idea. Kids wanting to give something small to teachers. I don't know about a wine glass for a teacher, but small gifts to aunties and grandmoms and grandpas and or friends who travel together and just wanting to do a little something small, a little something crafty. You could of course make as many of these as you want, or you could accessorize it in a gift bag or gift basket with a bottle of something. So here's how we made that glass. So I showed you the packet. It comes out, the stickers come out in a single sheet like that. And then one by one, I just took them off and start adhering them to the glass. Now, if you're not particularly crafty, or used to working with these stickers all the time, you might want to, just sort of take your time and making sure you're lining them up exactly where you want them to be, or the center of your glass so that it's even. This glass is fine, but I actually was looking for one a little bit taller, I guess. But so I was a little bit worried about whether or not the full ship's wheel was going to fit easily and then still have room for the anchor. So I did the ship's wheel next, and put that at the bottom of the glass so that I could try and make room for the anchor. Now, I'm doing this sort of quickly for demonstration purposes. Again, you want to make sure you are lining it up exactly how you would like it on the glass. And then you just smooth it down. Now for the crafty folks who have a supply of tools at home, I did have this that I kind of went back over and just made sure there were no air bubbles so that we could get it good seal on the sticker. I'm sure, craft sticks would work as well, but I had this one handy, so I used it. And then lastly on this sheet is the anchor. So same way, I'm just gonna, now this one was a little more involved because it has a rope and decorative flowers attached to the anchor, but same concept. Just peeled it off the film lined it up. Tried to line it up in the middle there. And just press it down. Oops. Yeah. So just press it down a little bit to make sure that you have a good stick on the sticker. I went back over it like I showed you with a little craft tool. Like you could use a craft stick, I'm sure, just to make sure it's smooth and no air bubbles. But there it is. Now I have two, and I'm not sure if I'm keeping them for myself or if they end. I guess in the spirit of things, it should actually be a small gift for someone. But anyway, here is my nautical themed glass DIY project from the small gifts I showed earlier from the Dollar Tree. Let me know if you find this at your local Dollar Tree or other items similar that you're able to use and put together as a small gift idea. Again, I think it's a fun and inexpensive way to share our love of cruising. Happy Vlogmas!